Alright y'all, I went back to Target for a second time this week. The Easter clearance is marked down again, and then I got a great coupon for this juice. Yeah, so if you haven't been to Target yet this week or you're planning on going back again for the better markdown, here are a couple deals that I got. So I ended up paying 94 cents for this apple juice, and I was pretty stoked about it. My son loves their apple juice. But anyways, it is on sale, I guess, for $1.99. It wasn't marked like that, but it's what it rang up on my receipt. There is a 5% off Cartwheel, and then there is a mobile coupon for $1 off one apple juice if you text the word, I think it's offers. And yeah, it's $1 off one. Usually the coupon is for $1 off two, so that's a pretty cool coupon. So it ended up being 94 cents for this juice. My favorite deal is, of course, the M&Ms deal. My son is crazy about M&Ms. I always stock up on them after holidays. And if you watched the video from earlier this week, I already bought some M&Ms just in case they sold out. And my store actually sold out of regular M&Ms. They only had the coconut kind and the white chocolate kind left. So I went ahead and got coconut. We're going to try them. Hopefully we like them. Anyway, now they're only 42 cents a bag. It's the same, you do the same exact, the deal, what am I saying? You do the deal the same exact way as I explained in the previous video this week. You buy 3 bags, you put $1 off, $1.50 off of 3, and that's a Target coupon, and then the $2 off 3 manufacturer's coupon, and stack them together. And these are 50% off now instead of 30, so now they are only 42 cents. So hopefully your Target hasn't sold out of these yet. And lastly, I went ahead and picked up the Glad containers. I didn't last time because I didn't know if I was going to use them. And then I came home literally that day and I was like, dang, I could have used these today. So I went and got them. But the deal is on the designer series, and there's a limit of 1, of course. But there's a Cartwheel for half off, which makes them $1.74, and then there's a $1 coupon printing on the Glade site. So it ended up being 74 cents for an 8-pack. Now, mind you, these are really tiny cups, but I mean 74 cents. I mean, these are perfect for my son. So I went ahead and picked them up. So that's all I got for this trip to Target. If you want to see most of the deals that I got this week, I'm going to go ahead and put that link in the description bar below so you can see those deals that I got. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for couponing and DIYs every week. And yep, if you know any other deals, let me know. Bye y'all. Love yous.